Hello and welcome, Streamer here. Today we're speaking about how to jailbreak a Fire Stick in 2022. The process itself is really easy, but it's going to allow you to download loads and loads of apps that are not available on the original Amazon App Store. However, to jailbreak your Fire Stick, we'll need to download some app from an app store. And that app is called Downloader. I guess the majority of you already know about that app, but for those who don't, go to search and type Downloader. And here it popped out at the bottom. So press on Downloader, select the app and download it. So I already have the downloader on my Fire TV, so I don't have to download it, but you may have to. When you got a downloader, there are some things we need to do with the settings of our Fire Stick. So hold down your home button, go to settings, My Fire TV, your developer options, and if you do not see your developer options here in that menu, then firstly go to About and select the Fire TV stick, then press your select button for 7 times. As you can see at the bottom it says no need, you're already a developer. But if you didn't have your developer options enabled, then after clicking the Fire TV stick for 7 times, it would be turned on. Then press on the back button, and now we go to developer options. You have to enable the 8-bit debugging, then go to install unknown apps and allow the downloader to install unknown apps or apps from unknown sources. It is needed because we have to install a different market or app store for our Fire Stick, and therefore we'll be able to jailbreak it. That's all the settings we had to change, and now just go back to the Downloader app. Here it is, but if you don't see it or can't find it, then go to Find and just type Downloader. And here we go. Open the app, and here we'll need to type a code. This code is leading to a website of one quite big YouTuber who has a website dedicated to Fire TV sticks, jailbreaks and other stuff. So the website is pretty big and legitimate. And now for the code itself, the code is 75726 and press on Go. Wait for a couple of seconds. And now the website has opened. We need to scroll to the bottom. And here are all the app stores that we can download to our Fire Stick and therefore jailbreak it. If that's your first time jailbreaking a Fire Stick, then I definitely recommend just getting the Aptoide TV APK to get yourself familiar with how all the thing works here. Now get to the bottom and press on that download button. Here in the right bottom corner, press on Install and then Open. Press OK. And here you can discover a lot of different apps like browser, streaming apps and so on. A lot of them are available in the Amazon App Store as well, but of course there's also a button called Categories which you can choose and then download apps or games from a lot of different categories like health, house and home, art and design and so on. And pretty much that's it. That's how you perform a jailbreak on a Fire Stick in 2022. If you decide that Aptoide App Store is not enough for you, then on the website that I showed you previously, there are a lot of different app stores as well. All of them have hundreds and thousands of different apps, so definitely you're going to find something that suits you well. If the video was helpful, make sure to hit the like button and of course subscribe my channel for more tutorials on your Fire TV Stick. Have a good one.